Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look through our 3-bedroom home, the Houghton. Let's take a look inside. So firstly, we'll head into our open plan living area, which is one of my favourites as it's really light and bright and with plenty of space that's perfect for hosting. So we've opted for a pastel colour scheme and herringbone floor to really brighten up this space. However, if this isn't to your taste, don't worry, as we have loads of options and upgrades that you can browse to make this home your own. The low-level lighting is great to transform the living area into a cosy space of an evening. And over here we have a great storage cupboard, which is perfect for keeping the space nice and tidy. And then taking you through to our very spacious kitchen dining area, which is a great sociable space and could be the one for you if you like to entertain. So this kitchen is fitted with glossy kitchen cabinets, a white marble worktop and integrated appliances. But if you would like a different finish, then you can check out our options and upgrades that are available. The dining room in particular hosts lots of natural light, thanks to the French doors leading out into the garden. You can open these up in the summer for garden parties or barbecues to achieve indoor-outdoor living. Now taking you through to the laundry room, which I feel is a great addition to this home. We have a single door leading out into the garden and plenty of space to work with. Finally, we have our downstairs WC, which is ideal for when you have guests as it's right next to the hosting space, making it super convenient. First, I'll take you through to the main bedroom, which has plenty to offer. Over here, I've got to mention these great floor-to-ceiling windows that bring so much natural light into the room. So we have a large double bed in the centre of the room with 2 bedside tables either side, and I love how they've used wall panelling to make a statement. The main bedroom has built-in wardrobes, so you don't need to worry about where to put all of your clothes. And over here, a dressing table, which I think makes perfect use of the space. This room offers a spacious ensuite bathroom, which makes it nice and easy to get up and go in the morning. This also offers that extra little bit of privacy away from the rest of the home. And before we leave this room, we also have an additional area for storage just behind here. Now taking you through to the family bathroom, which has floor-to-ceiling tiling. This bathroom is fitted with a shower and bath, which makes it the perfect space to relax and unwind. Here we have the guest bedroom, which is a great cosy space. The room looks out to the back of the home, offering lots of natural light. So we have a double bed with 2 bedside tables for storage, and I love the use of this hanging rail for clothes in order to free up some space. So this is a 3-bedroom home, however you can transform the space to suit your needs. As you can see here, we have opted for a study space, which is great for those who are working from home. The room has a large window that floods the space with natural light, making it a bright and pleasant environment to work in. So thanks for watching this house tour of our 3-bedroom Houghton home. For more information, please click the link in the description below.